Hello my talented musicians, are you ready for a rhythm workout? I know, it sounds fun! We'll sight read different rhythm patterns. We'll start from total beginning and we'll go up, making it more complicated and more fun. So the first thing that you need to do during the lesson, you need to get a rhythm in your body. That's why I chose music with steady rhythm that you can hear in the background. And if you can move, that would be great. You can move it with your body, with your hands, with your legs, wherever you need it. But if you move, you will stay in a tempo. So right there on the screen, you will see the rhythmic pattern that we're gonna read. It's usually 4 bars long, pretty simple. We're going in 4/4, which means we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Today we're gonna use the whole note, the half note, and the quarter note. Only 3 of those. So if we have a tempo going like this, ta, 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 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The whole note will be long ta for 4 counts, going like this. Ta, ta. If we have a half note, it will go for 2 counts. Ta, 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 ta. And the quarter note goes on each count. So ta, 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 ta. Let's begin. Ready? Here's exercise number 1. Look at it. We're gonna go all together. Starting 4, 3, 2, 1. Ta, 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 ta. Again. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ta, 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 ta. And the last time. Ready? 4, 3, 2, 1. Ta, 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 ta. You got it. Next one. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ta, 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 ta. Again. 4, 3, 1. Ta, 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 ta. And the last time. Ta, 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 ta. The next one. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ta, 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 ta. Again. Ready? 4, 3, 2, 1. Ta, 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 ta. Again. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ta, 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 ta. The next one. Look at it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ta, 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 ta. Again. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ta, 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 ta. Ready? Again. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ta, 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 ta. Next one, a little bit offbeat. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ta, 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 ta. Again. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ta, ta, cha, 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 cha. And the last time. 4, 3, 2, 1. Cha, 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 cha. Look at it. Ready? Number 7. 4, 3, 2, 1. Cha, 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 cha. Ready? 4, 3, 2, 1. Cha, 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 cha. Again. 4, 3, 2, 1. Cha, 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 cha. And the last one. Woohoo! Almost done. 4, 3, 2, 1. Cha, 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 cha. Again. 4, 3, 2, 1. Cha, 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 cha. The last time. 4, 3, 2, 1. Cha, 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 cha. You did it!